Hello, anime lovers, this is Ria and you are watching Anime Load, where you get anime scenes, new anime, and anime release date. I am here with the release date of summer season anime, Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid, Season 2, Episode 6, but before the release date of Episode 6, please subscribe the channel, so that we will able to update you about new anime and release date. And one more thing, if you are from Singapore or from Philippines, then download any VPN, which give you options to select country, and then select Japan or India or any other country where the anime release. Now move on, Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid. Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid, Season 2, Episode 6, is going to release on date 11th of August, 2021, Wednesday, 21:30 JST, but in some countries it will release on date 12th August. Be in touch with us, because we will update you every info about this anime. But before going, please subscribe and press the bell icon.